So these are the ingredients to this following recipe. Here is some sapota. These are some bananas. These are some mangoes, which many people would like to add. And these are pomegranates and a last pineapple. You could add any fruit that you wish to, but I've got these for today. And you need a little jaggery and a little honey. So shall we get started? First, I'm gonna add the banana into this. Well, you have to slice these nicely before you add it. Next, sapota. Next, let's add some mangoes. I've added 2 mangoes, but you could add how much you want. It's based on how much people you want us to eat it. And pomegranate. This one I've added 1 pomegranate. And at last, pineapple. So you can have few pineapples or any how much you want. Next, I want to mix it very well for it not to find the same thing again and again. Now, I'm going to take a little. So you just need a lot of this to make it kind of sweet. And then you could add honey. So I added honey and some little jaggery. So mix it well so you don't find the same fruit coming again and again. Now our fruit salad is made. Thank you.